Today I'm going to talk about another 13 free certification courses from Udemy. Here you can see the first course here is for you. Learn programming from scratch with Python. In this course you'll be able to learn the software programming starting from no knowledge with the most powerful and popular programming language, Python. The second course is for you. Python and Flask framework complete course for beginner. So if you're a beginner, then you can do this course to learn Python and Flask framework. The third course is Motion Graphics Secrets, Animation Principle in After Effects. This course will help you to be able to master animation in Adobe After Effects. Next course is 2020 Complete Pyomo Bootcamp, Python Optimization Beginner. It is the complete online programming guide on how to learn skills to build your decision analysis projects in Pyomo Jupyter. The next course is here. Create your own GUI Music Player using Pygame Tkinter. Next course is here. Power BI DAX Secrets. Learn DAX formulas for Power BI. Next course is here. Learn Bootstrap for beginners. In this course you'll be able to learn how to create mobile responsive web pages using Bootstrap. Next course is Python programming tutorial for the absolute beginner. So in this course you'll be able to learn the Python programming tutorial, how to learn Python programming from absolute beginner to developing app. So the next course is Agile Kanban for software development teams. In this course you'll be able to learn the Kanban way of Agile project management. Next one is AWS Service for Solution Architect Associate. It is the best guide for various AWS certifications such as AWS Solution Architect, AWS SysOps. Okay, here the next one is Cyber Security and Ethical Hacking Introduction course. This is the complete beginner's guide to cyber security and ethical hacking 2021. Next one is build unseen and futuristic JavaScript web application. And the last one is here, SVM for beginners, support vector machine in RStudio. In this course you'll be able to learn support vector machine in RStudio. So you'll get the link of all of these free certification courses in the video description. Check it there.